It's talk about something that affects almost all of us at some point. Those annoying little holes in your teeth, otherwise known as cavities. They start off small, but if left untreated, they can cause big problems. And if you're like most people, you've probably wondered if there's a natural, simple way to fix and prevent cavities without relying on expensive dental procedures. Well, I've got some good news for you. There's a natural solution, a soft mineral that actually melts in your mouth that can help you take control of your oral health, fight cavities, and even help with bad breath. So stick around because I'm going to break down the causes of cavities, how this soft mineral works, and why you're going to want to click the link in the description to find out how to use it at home. Let's start by talking about why cavities form in the first place. It usually starts with plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth after you eat or drink anything, especially sugary or starchy foods. These bacteria produce acids that eat away at your tooth enamel, creating tiny holes, those cavities we all dread. But it's not just sugar that causes this. Poor brushing habits, dry mouth, and even acidic foods can contribute to tooth decay. Over time, these small holes can grow, causing sensitivity, pain, and, if they go untreated, even tooth loss. Not to mention, cavities are often accompanied by bad breath because the same bacteria that cause decay can leave your mouth smelling less than fresh. We've all been there, trying to mask bad breath with mints or mouthwash, but those are just temporary solutions. So, how do you break the cycle? That's where things get interesting. There's a natural soft mineral that's been making waves in the dental world, and you can use it at home to not only help repair cavities, but also prevent new ones from forming. If you're curious about how this mineral works, make sure you click the link in the description after this video. It takes you to a short video that explains everything you need to know about how to use it effectively at home. Let's be real, cavities aren't just about tooth pain. They come with a whole host of issues that impact your daily life. First, there's the sensitivity. Drinking a cold glass of water or enjoying your favorite ice cream can suddenly become torture. And then there's the self-consciousness. Maybe you're hiding your smile, avoiding certain foods, or constantly worrying about bad breath. It feels like a never-ending battle. You brush, you floss, you rinse, but still, cavities keep popping up, and that bad breath seems impossible to shake. I've seen so many people dealing with the frustration of constantly running to the dentist, only to be told they need another filling or treatment. But what if there was a better way, a more natural way, something that didn't just cover up the symptoms, but actually helped prevent and treat the problem from the inside out? That's exactly what this soft mineral does. It works by strengthening your teeth and helping them remineralize naturally, creating a barrier against the bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. It's simple, effective, and easy to use right at home. And the best part, it's not just for treating cavities, it helps prevent them from forming in the first place. Want to know how to use it? Click the link in the description below to watch a quick video that shows you exactly how this mineral works and how you can start using it at home today. Now, let's talk about how you can treat and prevent cavities from the comfort of your own home. Most people think the only way to deal with cavities is through fillings, drilling, and sometimes painful treatments. But that's just not true anymore. This natural soft mineral that I've been talking about does something different. When it melts in your mouth, it interacts with your teeth at a microscopic level. It helps rebuild the enamel that's been worn down by acids, making your teeth stronger and more resistant to decay. The best part? You don't have to make any drastic changes to your routine. It's as simple as letting this soft mineral melt in your mouth and do its job. No harsh chemicals, no painful procedures, and no expensive dental bills. If you want to know more about how you can start using this mineral at home to protect your teeth and get rid of cavities naturally, make sure to click the link in the description. It'll take you to a short video that walks you through everything step by step. Here's the thing, cavities don't just go away on their own. If you don't take action, they get worse, and that means more pain, more sensitivity, and more time in the dentist's chair. But with the right approach, you can stop cavities before they start. This soft mineral strengthens your teeth from the inside out, so you're not just treating the symptoms, but preventing the problem at its source. And as a bonus, it helps with bad breath too. You can finally say goodbye to constantly chewing gum, popping mints, or worrying about how your breath smells. This is a lasting solution. So, if you're serious about protecting your smile and avoiding future dental problems, click the link in the description below. Watch the short video and see how easy it is to start using this soft mineral at home to get rid of cavities naturally. To sum it all up, cavities and bad breath don't have to be a part of your life anymore. There's a natural solution, a soft mineral that melts in your mouth, helping you treat cavities, strengthen your teeth, and even fight bad breath, all from the comfort of your home. If you're ready to stop worrying about tooth pain and bad breath for good, make sure to click the link in the description to watch a quick video that shows you exactly how to use this mineral at home. Your smile will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.